If you want to get the best miter saw according to your needs, then watch the video till the end and then decide. So let's get started. At number 1 position we have Metabo HPT 10-inch miter saw C10 FCGS. The Metabo HPT 10-inch miter saw is a lightweight, yet powerful compound miter saw. Its 15-amp motor is capable of 5,000 RPM no-load performance, making it more than capable of most crosscut and miter cut tasks. This saw is equipped with a specially designed vise clamping system that keeps workpieces securely in place. This helps ensure safer and more efficient operation, with much less safety risk. A horizontal handle enhances secure fittings even further, and a dust collector attachment is included that reduces dust particles in the air. With its 0 to 45-degree bevel range, it is an excellent choice for woodworkers that require utmost consistency and precision. It even has thumb-actuated positive stops that enable you to adjust miters quickly. Moving on to the next at number 2 with DEWALT 12-inch miter saw DWS715. The DEWALT 12-inch miter saw combines a powerful 15-amp motor with a host of features to make cutting jobs easier and faster. The stainless steel design makes precise, smooth cuts with the 12-inch dull bevel sliding design. The high-capacity cutting machine accommodates crown molding and base molding with equal ease. The DEWALT also earns praise for its smooth and quiet operation, especially among those who have used other miter saws in the past. Features such as the XBS crosscut positioning system enable you to perform accurate cuts without having to adjust the saw repeatedly, so even the most complex tasks can be done with ease. The number 3 position is held by Skil 10-inch dual bevel sliding compound miter saw MS6350. This 10-inch dual bevel sliding compound miter saw from Skil is the most durable miter saw you'll find on the market. The high-speed steel design can cut through anything from wood to stainless steel surfaces without any hesitation. The powerful 15-amp motor delivers 4,800 RPM for detailed, quick cuts. With the dual bevel, you can cut in 4 positive stop positions to get just the right angle on your surfaces. The 2x12 cutting capacity cross-cuts lumber up to 2x12 at 90 degrees. It also cuts at common angles to get the most out of your miter saw. Not to mention the LED shadow lights show you exactly where to cut. Cut tough surfaces safely and efficiently with the Skil 10-inch miter saw. Next at number 4 we have Genesis GM 1015 LC. This 10-inch compound miter saw from Genesis comes in many different styles to fit all your woodworking needs. The 9 positive miter stops are great for cutting at commonly used angles. It can make bevel cuts up to 45 degrees left and perform compound miter cuts with ease. The compound cutting mode works best on crown molding, shadow boxes, picture frames, and much more. There's an electric brake to stop the blade in seconds for the ultimate safety feature. The arbor lock allows for quick blade changes on different materials. The laser guide is super helpful as well to see where you're going to cut next. It just takes 2 AAA batteries and you're set. You can check out this miter saw by itself, or get the one with a clamp, saw arses, table, or stand. The possibilities with this saw are endless. Finally, the number 5 position is dominated by Delta Power Equipment Corporation S26262L. The Delta miter saw with laser is a great addition to any woodworker's arsenal of power tools. It offers superb value in an affordable and capable design. Features such as the battery-operated laser make blade alignment a breeze, speeding up even the most complex tasks while ensuring accuracy. It also has plenty of power to spare, with a 15-amp motor that can cut smoothly and cleanly in a single pass. The Delta miter saw is quite a versatile unit that will work with almost any miter saw stand. The battery-operated laser guide is super helpful in conjunction with the motor. The spindle lock holds the spindle securely while the base nut is loosened and removed. Get the most out of your woodworking session with this stellar miter saw from Delta. That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button for the upcoming video notification.